Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to show you an easy way to create educational quizzes and exams and how to integrate them into your courses. All this you will create with two plugins. The first plugin is Quizmaker. With this you can create educational quizzes and exams with different question types. It's super flexible and feature rich. The next one is a new LMS plugin called Fox LMS, which lets you integrate those quizzes and exams into your courses. With these two plugins you can create, for example, digital marketing, SEO, graphic design, different interesting courses. One of the advantages is that if you have Quizmaker, you can install Fox LMS and they will function together seamlessly. So first of all, you should install and activate these two plugins, Quizmaker and Fox LMS. And in this video I would like to show how to create an advanced business management course from the scratch. Let's firstly create the quiz. To do that, we should go to questions section and add our questions. As we have already created all the questions, so we should go to quizzes section and create the whole quiz. For that we click to this add new button. And here we insert the questions we have already created. Then we click this insert questions button. So I've already created the business management quiz. Now it's high time to create the lessons. For that we go to Fox LMS, and then we go to lessons and create our lesson. We click to this add new button and we insert our lesson here. Here we can also insert an image and YouTube video. For that we go to YouTube and choose the video we want to insert there. We click to the share button, then copy the URL. And here, for example, we can insert our YouTube video. For that we click to this plus, then we search YouTube and we paste the URL. And to insert an image, we search here image, then we click to this upload button and upload the image. Now let me quickly create another lesson, and then I will show you how to get full advanced course with lessons and quizzes. As we have already created the lessons and quiz, it's high time to create the course. For that we go to courses and then we click to this add new course button. We click to this add new section, and from our existing lessons we choose these two. And then we integrate our quiz here. It is very simple. We just click to this add quiz button and select our quiz. Mine is this. In these few simple steps I created my whole course. We can also set a featured image. We just upload it from our computer. And now let's have a look how it looks like on the front end. I hope this helped you to discover some new tools to level up your courses. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.